This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus versus the Huawei Honor View 20. Now the S10 Plus, this one is the Snapdragon 855 variant with 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, Android 9 Pie, and One UI. The Honor V20, this one has the Kirin 980 and a nice and hefty 8 gigs of RAM on this, also on Android 9 Pie and its Magic user interface. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, and give the boot up win to the Huawei Honor V20. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, V20, messages. Ooh, Huawei again. Camera, we'll do it like this on the camera. And let's go. Oh, that was a close one. You guys are the judges. Open the clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. Samsung Internet and the Huawei browser, go. You guys are the judges. We'll do a search for GSM Arena. Go. And we'll click on this, go. Ooh, very close. You guys slow down the video for me. We'll scroll all the way to the bottom and we'll go to the desktop version. Go. Looking at the bar up top. Ooh, very close. Can't tell. Slow down the video for me. Pinch to zoom. A little bit of a stutter there initially, but doing it right now. Nice and smooth. Do the same thing on the S10 Plus, as you can see. Browsing performance on both should be very good. Calculator on both. Nice and fast. Maybe the V20 on that one actually. Play Store. You guys are the judges. We'll click on Uber. Amazon Shopping. Oh, very close. Maybe the S10 on that. Click on this deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, very close. Maybe the S10 by a split second. We'll click on these Pumas. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Ooh, call that one a tie. Tap to begin. Ooh, a little bit faster on the V20. Actually running the game, as you can see. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Winter Wasteland, both are loading. Woo, so close. We'll see who's out in front in a second. And give this to the S10 Plus. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both. Ooh, the V20 is ahead. Will the S10 Plus catch it? No, it does not. Oh, and give the win to the Honor View 20 on this one. Huawei came to play today. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Who's gonna come out on top? Ooh, and give this to the V20 again. Wow. PUBG. S10 Plus ahead. Will the Huawei catch it? Let's see what's gonna happen right now. Ooh, so close. Ooh, neck and neck. What will happen right now? Oh, and give the win to the S10 Plus on this. So you can see, very close though. Could have gone either way. Photoshop Express on both. I have this 8K image, same image on both phones. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on one. Let's choose Spring for today. And then I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way to the max. And I'm gonna click on share. And we'll see which one saves it to the gallery faster. And let's go. Ooh, and give the win to the S10 Plus on this one. Twitter, very close. Maybe the View 20 on that. Instagram, very close again. Slow down the video for me. And Snapchat. Oh, give that to the View 20. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. Now, both phones have 8 gigs of RAM. This View 20 is the 8 gigabyte of RAM variant. So let's see how they handle the RAM management. We'll go through these apps again, see what happens. Twitter, nice and fast so far. Photoshop Express, same place. PUBG, game is still running in the background. Great. Asphalt 9, same thing. Angry Birds 2, no reloads yet. Temple Run 2, ready to resume on both. Mario Run, same place. eBay, same place. Ooh, is that S10 Plus a little bit of a lag, or not sure what that was. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, Easter egg if you know what I'm referring to. The browsers on both, good to go. Clock is still running in the background, and we do have the camera here. Maybe a little bit faster on the right, maybe, not sure. Messages, ooh, View 20, and the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Huawei fan? Do you like Huawei phones? This Honor View 20, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro with the Kirin 980 chipset. These phones are pretty fast. Now their software could be a hit or miss. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your brand new Galaxy S10 Plus, Galaxy S10, Galaxy Note 9? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.